Hello and welcome back to my channel. And yes, you must be wondering, why am I starting my video off like this? Well, I had some technical difficulties and was unable to retrieve the file. So this will have to do. So today we'll be unboxing a new shelving unit and also a new LED grow light. So originally I had my smaller orchids placed on the east and west facing windowsills, and my dendrobiums would be placed outside based on the weather. If it was way too hot, they would have to be kept indoors. Unfortunately, because of that, I felt like my dendrobiums were not getting enough sunlight. So hopefully this new setup works out for my orchids. Now, let's begin. Through this process, I will be speeding through. Also, if you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a like or subscribe to my channel. So here we have the shelf. I was expecting it to be a little bit bigger, but it's kind of on the small side, but it's okay. It will do for now. So these are the orchids that I have placed on the shelf for now. This will not be the final outlook. Now let's get the LED unboxed. Here in this shot, for some reason, it took the camera a little while to adjust to the lighting for some reason, but I will surely add pictures toward the end just to show you the brightness. So here we have the new setup. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a like or subscribe to my channel. Bye!